Hello, how y'all doing this morning? I got this little tool here from Hobby Lobby. It's a overstitch wheel system tool from Leather Elements. $9 I think I paid for it. I'm going to try to use it as a lathe texturing tool. I was interested in them Scorby lathe texturing tools. I can't bring myself to pay that price tag, so see how this thing here works. Might be something y'all want to try. And awful short handle, but if you know somebody with a lathe, maybe you can get them to make you a longer handle. So we'll see how this goes. It's not got a real long handle, but we'll see what happens here. Well, a bit aggressive. Get it with some sandpaper. Well, that was a bit aggressive, but it's got some wild looking lines. Apparently it's sharp enough that I didn't need to put that much pressure on. I'll give her another whirl here with a little bit less pressure. Put some color on it. Well, it's got some crazy lines going on. This is a softer wood. I think it's popular. Let's try it down here where I smoothed it up a little bit more. Well, that's kind of an interesting look. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. I've got a couple more heads I can put on there. I'll have to experiment with them. But for $8, it's not bad. So that didn't turn out too bad. I got another top for the kiddos. Should turn it that way. But yeah, it leaves some wild lines, and I think a little bit of playing around. The edges are super sharp right now. I don't know what the Scourby tools are like, but might be something you want to give a try. So have a great day. Thanks.